Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up Photopea on your phone. Of course, first of all you need to do is just go and open your phone, of course, then go here to your Play Store. So let me show you that if you go to Play Store or App Store or any other store, if you go and search for Photopea and hit the enter button, let's just wait until it loads. Okay, so I just had a problem in connection. Anyway, when you type actually Photopea, as you can see, you will not find it neither in Play Store, App Store, or any other store you could be possible using. So the only way, of course, on if you want to set up it on your phone, let me just go out, is to use it through a browser. Just go and open your browser, maybe your Chrome, your I don't know, Opera, whatever browser you're using on your phone, and of course, then just go and type photopea.com and hit the enter button. And let's just wait again until it loads. And as you can see, here we are in this website. Of course, if you want to be more practical and if you want to use it like maybe in a better way, you can just go and click at the three dots here at the top right corner, then click or check this desktop sites option. Of course, now you can like start zooming in, zooming out to whatever you want. Then of course you can like create a new project if you want. It will not be like the PC are you when you use this in PC, but it will be like usable, right? So of course you can choose one of their templates, and as you can see, you'll see the template here, the components at the right here, and you can start editing on it. Of course, you can like here start editing on it, of course, and you will be actually good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.